Welcome to Vanishing Voices, where we are preserving the stories of nature's lost wonders.
Meet the Chinese white dolphin, also known as the Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin, characterized by its pale pink color and curved dorsal fin. Found in the coastal waters of China and nearby regions, this dolphin is critically endangered due to habitat loss, pollution, and boat traffic. As of 2023, fewer than 2,000 individuals are estimated to remain in the wild.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more great content.